Hello, my friends, on August 22nd, 2025. Coming at you somewhat live. This is as fast as I can put it out, my friends. It is 9:22 Central Standard Time. And this is a great opportunity to show a potential trade. Look at USD JPY right now. Look at this. Just look at this. Do you see what's happened in the past hour? We were at 148.5, boom, down to 147 exact. It actually dropped all the way down to 146.840. So this is zoomed in. This is just on an hourly time scale here. But this is where you make money on the low time frames. Okay? Because this is a trade that it's opportunity. This is the trap. Price going up, going up, going up, going up, going up, going up. It's been a while since we've talked about traps. This is the trap. So the trap is people keep shorting this thinking it's going to go down, but it keeps punishing them over and over and over and over again. That's not the big trap. That's just the small traps setting itself up for the big snapper. And there it is. In 1 hour, everybody who has been buying this up, price is going up, price is going up, price is going up, the trend is up, I'm going to buy the trend. Look how quickly the market just took that trap and bam, everybody's money in the past day has just been taken. That's been going long on dollar yen. It gave you a hint. It gave you a hint in this area that it was starting to go down because it made a slightly lower high over here. It didn't continue. That's kind of the opportunity when you should have been like, let me take some money off the table. But when I see something like this is a quick video today, you know. I'm under the weather. I'm swamped with this move I have going on. I do have good news, my friends. We are less than 2 weeks away from being in a different location. And it is going to be absolutely gorgeous. We're going to have a nice little setup. And we'll be coming a little bit more regular on our programming. Just sharing my personal journey here. But today, if I was to take a dollar yen trade today, what am I going to do? Well, am I going to take a short? Right now? You're telling me that price just went from 148.5 to 147 exact, and you're gonna short that? No. Why are you gonna sell this? This is, the trap has been sprung. The mouse trap, it already went off. It activated. It's over. So now, where's another potential idea? To me, when I see something like this is a scalp trade, a quick opportunity to take some money. Why? Because traders see this giant red candle here, and they immediately say, oh, that's it. They're zoomed out. They're looking at the monthly here, and they're like, see, look, we're sky high. We're going to drop down to, 128. That 1 hour candle just showed us it's time to go down now. That's the trap. So there's traders that are opening up shorts down here on the hourly because they saw this big red candle and they said, okay, that's it. We're going down now. Maybe on the monthly we're going down. But the way it's looking like now for the next several hours is price is generally going to try and recover some of this. So a nice scalp would be, look, it's already going up. 147.1. A nice scalp would be to take a buy here, go long, closing at least 3/4 of the way up. Zoom in some more on the 5-minute. Looky here. Oh, you're starting to look, it's already trying to recover that big giant drop it just had. Another hint that had you on this was what's over here. A swing low. What did price do? It took the liquidity from underneath that candle. So somebody has been punished. It's time to enter opposite them. So that's just kind of a little opportunity on dollar yen. I wouldn't be greedy with this trade at all. This would just be a quick scalp. Enter here, exit here, stop below, 2-to-1 risk reward, easy money. You can't ask for a simpler setup than this. Why would we enter the trade? Because money has been taken out of the market. They've punished all these long traders here. Everybody had their stop loss below this swing low over here on the left. So now that that's been taken, the market, the smarter traders had their buy limits down here. Now they're greedy. They're going to have their sell-offs up here. We're not going to wait for that. We're going to exit off early, 3/4 of the way up, and 148.1. Oh man, you can't make no money trading from 147 to 148.1. This is the Forex market. You don't need ginormous maneuvers to make money, okay? That's a gorgeous trade right there. Zoom in even more on the 1 minute. Oh, look what it's doing. It's playing with you. It did its little dip, and now it's kind of playing here. The next few minutes is really going to show you. I honestly wouldn't be surprised if it took that 148.840, 146.840. Another quick wick down here. If you were to place a buy right down here, that would be where I put that alert. That would be a gorgeous buy right there. Everybody might have got a little antsy at the open and went long on dollar yen. So now we might possibly take their money too. When you're scalping, you always have to be prepared for everything. Because when you're on the small time frames, you have to be focused. But quite honestly, that might have been it. And now for the next few hours, we're going to slowly drag our way up and punish everybody who started shorting that giant 1 hour red candle. I'm a contrarian. So when I see a lot of red, I start thinking green. When I start seeing a lot of green, I start thinking red. And it's been paying me thinking that way. So, it's Friday. I am extremely under the weather today. Everybody pray for me that I feel better. Got a lot to do this next week, and we will get back on a few stock market ideas next week. I love everybody, and we will talk to everybody on the next video. Peace.